Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we'll be looking at how to draw this mountain flange, basically using sketch tool. Select create sketch, select the bottom plane, press C for circle. Draw a circle dimension of 18.5 cm. Draw a horizontal line, press L for line and draw a horizontal line from the origin to the x-axis. This line will serve as a construction line for another circle that will be drawing. Go ahead to dimension the line so that the line will be properly constrained. Press C for circle to pick the circle tool or select the circle tool from the create menu. Draw a circle of 6 cm. Press enter. Draw a line, a tangent line that will touch the 18.5 cm circle and the 6 cm circle. Ensure that the line is tangential to the circles. Give the two circles a distance of 23.5 cm apart. Select the tangent constraint tool. Select this line and select the circle to make both the line and the circle tangential. Select line tool to complete the other parts. Note you can either mirror the line or draw another line. If you are to draw another line, that means you are going to use the tangent constraint tool again to ensure that the line is properly touching the circles. Press escape key to drop tool. Select the circle tool. Select the origin. Draw a circle of 12 cm. Okay, let's make it 12.5 cm. Press enter. Select the offset tool to offset the 6 cm circle outward to a distance of 1.5 cm. In Fusion 360, offset tool allows you to offset a sketch to any distance that you want to reach. Select the circle and select construct from the sketch palette. This circle will serve as a guide for our boat openings. Now let's add some shapes to the design. This tutorial will help you to sharpen your sketch strategies. For the other processes, we'll be using line tool and the mirror tool together with also the trim tool to form the shape of our design. For this part, if you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section and I will answer your question. Select the offset tool. Select this line. Let's give it an offset distance of 3 cm. That's okay. Let's make it 3 cm. Select the mirror line to mirror this line using the previous steps that we have already shown. Okay, select the trim tool to trim off excess parts. I will speed up this part, this process. Use the mouse scroll button to zoom in or out in order to see what you want to trim off. Press D to pick up the dimension tool. Dimension the whole lines to ensure that your design is properly constrained. Select the circle tool. Select this line and draw a circle of 0.8 cm. This circle will serve as a pathway for our boat. Press enter. Select the create drop down menu. Select circular pattern. Select this circle. For the center point, select this construction line. Increase the quantity to 8 and press OK. Select the circle tool. Select this point and draw a circle of 4 cm. Press enter. Now you can finish sketch. So basically this tutorial is used to help us to walk around our sketch tools in Fusion 360. Select the extrude tool or press E in your keyboard. Select this profile and this one. Give it a thickness of 1.5 cm and press OK. Go to browser, go to sketch and hide the sketch. Select the extrude tool. Let's revolve it a little bit. Change the distance to two sides. For this arrow, give it a distance of 4 cm. You can as well drag the arrow to the distance that you want. Select this arrow and give it a distance of 1 cm and press OK. Now let's add some finishing touches by selecting the fillet tool to fillet some edges of the design. You can as well finish your sketch here. You can as well stop your design here. But the fillet tool will also make the design to have more, add more beauty to the design and make the design look okay. Press F on your keyboard and select the edges and give it a fillet distance of 2 mm, rather 2 cm, because we are using cm for our design. As you can see, Vision 360 can give you opportunities to select an edge through a face. So you can be able to maneuver and select an edge without necessarily revolving the design and going about it in a long way. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and drop your comments. It's very important to us so that we can be able to know how to serve you better and know the next video that we can be able to upload. Thank you very much and see you on the next one. Bye.